Hello everyone and welcome back to a new lesson on my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to, use the rule which is have something done. Have something done. Usually we use have something done, as you can see the pictures, to talk about, actions we don't do ourselves, or when we pay for others to do the action. So usually we don't do the actions ourselves, and somehow we pay for others to do some services or some actions to us, as you can see in the pictures. Now let's have the form, and we'll have this example to come up with the form. I get my eyes tested by the doctor. I get my eyes tested by the doctor. Now we have the subject I, then the verb get, then my eyes tested by the doctor. These words or these elements, will lead us to the form of the grammar rule. Now as you can see, we have the subject, then have or get, then the object, then the verb 3, and finally by agent. Now look, we have the subject I, then we have or get, then the object, which is my eyes, and the past participle or verb 3, which is tested, and finally by the agent, which is the doctor, and the agent is the doer of the action. So in order to form a sentence using have something done, you have to think about the subject, then have or get, then the object, then the verb 3, and finally by agent. And I want just to note that get is less formal. So if you are going to use this rule in a formal situation, you should use have, but get is less formal with friends and colleagues. That's fine. Now let's move to some examples. Look please at this picture. Now look, Dave will have the house painted next month. Now as you can see, because the sentence is in the future, next month, so we used or will is used. The same rule but with will. Dave will have the house painted next month. Next, the students get their essays checked by the teacher. The students get their essays checked by the teacher. And I had my washing machine fixed yesterday. Now this sentence is in the past. I had my washing machine fixed yesterday. So instead of using have, had is used. Now if you want to master the forms of have something done in tenses, the next slide would be helpful for you. So the main rule is subject, then have or get, then the object, then verb 3 by the agent. And in this table here, we will discuss or you will be presented with a tense form, an example of the different tenses. So we have the present simple, it is have or get with the object, then the verb 3, and the example will be he has his car repaired. In the past simple, as you can see, the same rule, but instead of using have or get, we will use had or got. The example will be he had his car repaired. For the future simple, will be used, and after will, as you know, we have to use the infinitive, so still with have or get. Then he will have his car repaired. Now as you can see, we only change have or get. Object is the same, verb 3 is the same. Of course you need a subject and an agent. Present progressive, you can guess. It will be am is are, then having or getting, of course with the object and verb 3, and the sentence will be he is having his car repaired. He is having his car repaired. It happened right now. Anyway, the past progressive, you can of course guess that was or were plus having or getting, object and verb 3. He was having his car repaired. He was having his car repaired. Anyway, the present perfect, it will be have plus had or got. So it will be have had or have got, object and verb 3. He has had his car repaired. He has had his car repaired. Finally, we have the past perfect. It will be had plus had got, and the verb and object and verb 3. He had his car repaired. He had his car repaired. So as you can see, this table will summarize you the different tenses of the rule have something done. Thank you for watching the lesson. I wish you all the best, and I wish you a good day full of English and happiness. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.